Hera or H-bar initially garnered widespread attention at the beginning of the year, but its recent performance has been a lackluster, causing it to fall behind many other established cryptocurrency that are outperforming it. As a result, it has been somewhat sidelined with diminished interest from the community. However, there's optimism stemming from a decent announcement and various metrics within the retail investment realm related to H-bar. These factors suggest a potentially exciting end of the year for the H-bar. Examining the recent trends in the cryptocurrency market over the past week or month, it's evident that many projects are being discussed, but Hera or H-bar has been notably absent from these conversations. Acknowledging that H-bar hasn't been particularly noteworthy recently, we note a significant initiative that H-bar is currently undertaking its progression towards the real-world asset or RWA sector. Drawing parallels with the success of Chainlink, we emphasize the importance of linking with real-world assets, a trend that has propelled Chainlink's recent success. Similar partnerships such as Solana collaboration with Amazon Web Services, Shopify, and Visa are cited as examples of the industry trend. There's a major development, a partnership between H-bar and Airbnb. Through collaboration with a platform called Arca, H-bar aims to tokenize Airbnb's money market fund, which is valued in the billions. This collaboration is seen as a substantial opportunity for the Hera blockchain. We anticipate that this development could reignite interest in H-bar, which is already underway, especially given the perceived lack of attention it has received lately. We express optimism about the potential for increased retail participation following the significant announcement. Consider the challenge faced by Airbnb, a global company that accepts payments from individuals worldwide and subsequently processes these payments to reimburse property owners in potentially different currencies. This presents a complex scenario for users, entailing additional fees and complications. Similarly, Airbnb itself incurs extra expenses associated with these currencies conversions and payments. A potential solution to simplify this intricate process lies in leveraging tokenization, instant finality, and related technologies. Enter H-bar, the blockchain technology chosen by Airbnb to address these challenges. This development is particularly exciting given H-bar's recent struggle to attract interest from retail investors. The significance here lies in the recognition that tokenizing transactions and achieving instant finality can streamline the payment process for a globally operating platform like Airbnb. What makes this collaboration noteworthy is the familiarity that retail investors like you and me have with Airbnb. The association with well-known brands such as Airbnb and HBO helps generate interest among retail investors who easily comprehend the services offered. In the current market stage, capturing attention is often deemed more crucial than delivering groundbreaking products. H-bar's impressive take on partnerships and its technological advancements are deemed sufficiently noteworthy to capture the interest of the broader audience. This alignment with recognizable names in the market could potentially set H-bar on the path to garner increased attention and interest from retail investors, a strategic move that recognizes the importance of familiarity in the current market landscape. Let's assess whether H-bar has been successful in capturing people's attention. Examining the price chart, we observe that H-bar has experienced a 5% increase today, a commendable performance, especially considering that many other cryptocurrencies in the market are relatively stagnant or in the red. Notably, even with Bitcoin making a slight push, there's a curious observation regarding Bitcoin dominance potentially influencing the market dynamics. This suggests the possibility of capital flowing back from altcoins into Bitcoin, an aspect worth monitoring. When analyzing H-bar's behavior throughout the year, it has exhibited a close correlation with Bitcoin's performance. Despite a robust start to the year, H-bar's recent performance hasn't been as impressive. It's interesting to recall that at the beginning of the year, H-bar saw a substantial rally around 150%, which was a time when it garnered widespread attention. This pattern aligns with a common trend in the cryptocurrency space, where assets that are frequently discussed are often houses that have already experienced significant rallies. Now, the reason why we consider why H-bar was the center of attention at the beginning of the year simply because it was rallying. This pattern mirrors the broader market sentiment where assets gain attention during periods of strong upward movement. However, as soon as the momentum shifts, attention wanes and people shift their focus to assets that are currently performing well. The takeaway is that H-bar, like many other assets, experiences cycles of attention and neglect based on its price movements. Its pattern inherent in the cryptocurrency market, where the spotlight tends to shift to assets that are currently on the rise, leaving previously popular ones like H-bar momentarily overlooked. To To break down the recent performance, H-bar has been a rise of about 46% from its recent dip. However, when compared to other cryptocurrencies such as INJ, up a staggering 1,400%, or Chainlink with a 125% increase, H-bar's movement appears less pronounced. Analyzing the chart, there's an intriguing pattern forming resembling a double bottom or W-shaped configuration, even though it's not versed in chart analysis. The potential scenario outlined involves H-bar entering a specific zone, breaking beyond it, possibly retesting, and then proceeding higher. In such cases, the ethical target could be the height of the pattern from a breakout position, offering an opportunity for H-bar to potentially surge by around 121% in the shorter term. This is noteworthy considering that while many other coins have been active in the market, H-bar has been relatively subdued. Looking beyond this short-term opportunity, the next significant resistance for H-bar is indicated at a specific level on the chart. We speculate on the possibility of H-bar experiencing a substantial surge, especially if Bitcoin undergoes another rally, potentially resulting in a significant uptrend for H-bar, possibly over 4 times increase in a shorter time frame. However, we emphasize that such outcomes are not guaranteed, urging viewers to conduct their own research and exercise caution in their investments. The increasing number of followers, as indicated by the rising blue line, is a positive sign. Despite the fact that the price hasn't experienced significant movement, the continuous growth in retail participants is noteworthy. We coupled with news and fundamental factors, the influx of retailers creates a promising recipe for potential growth. We also utilize platforms like Lunar Crush, which is currently free but may transition to a paid version soon, so time is of the essence. Navigating the top category under cryptocurrencies allows us to see which coins are currently trending and experiencing notable increases. Noteworthy performers include Solana, Casper, Chainlink, and Algorand, with ADA and Fetch AI also exhibiting positive trends. These platforms rank Coinbase on the hype and attention they're receiving across social media platforms like Twitter and YouTube. When we focus on H-bar, it's positioned at 21st, just below Bitcoin, with an alt rank of 537. This suggests a substantial increase in interest and engagement. While some other coins may be plateauing or experiencing a decline after a surge, H-bar is seeing a resurgence in interest, pointing to potential growth. This analysis considers both current price situation and the broader interest metrics. Stay tuned to these dynamics for potential growth opportunities, especially as more participants re-enter the H-bar space. Also, we've gathered exciting information about H-bar, anticipating increased interest in discussions on platforms like YouTube as the price rises. Looking ahead, the trajectory is uncertain, but H-bar has broken out its previous trend, undergone a retest, and is on an upward push. Long-term growth could potentially reach 15 times or 20 times, especially if Bitcoin gains momentum.